Hey girlies, guess what I got? I got me a Bobbiana from Ashimary hair. I have their 13x4 lace frontal yaki straight bob wig in the inches of 14. Y'all, they have a deal going on and it's starting off at $81 freaking. So you better run, okay? Don't walk, run. This wig comes pre everything, no plucking, no cutting, no bleaching, or no knots. And y'all see those combs removable? That's what I like. Let's get into it. So this is what it looks like straight out the box, y'all. We're going to do a straight out the box install. So I am going to go ahead and adjust the band for my girlies who do not like to use any type of lace glue or a lace adhesive. You definitely can wear it glueless. Look how flat it is. We are going to have to trim up the, the ear tabs because they're too long. But we're going to get into tinting the lace using our cream foundation. Look at this, y'all. It's giving straight scalp. Okay. It looks like it's growing out my scalp. Y'all can't tell me nothing, okay? I am going to go ahead and trim off the lace that I don't need because, like I said, it's too big, which I love. I am going to trim off some of this lace as well. This step is optional. You don't have to do that. To each his own. Like I said, this can be more glueless, but today I want to go ahead and secure it down because I want to show you guys some different styles. But this is just going to be the install portion straight out of the box. I will have the timestamps just in case you guys are only looking to see certain styles. So yeah, but we're just gonna go ahead and secure the wig down using my Kiss lace adhesive. I do put a layer and a half. It's getting cold outside, so we don't need that much adhesive. I allow that to dry down with my blow dryer on a cool heating setting, and then I just align that lace with where I place that product, and we're just gonna press that in, making sure everything is laying nice and neat and flat. I'm letting my lace melt. I'm just going to take my Babyliss Pro flat iron and I am just going to go ahead and bump those ends. You can wear the bob straight out like blunt cut, but I always love the ends to be bumped. So I am going in with some wax just to hot comb everything out. Like I said, I need this to look like a fresh relaxer, so I'm just going in lightly with some of that and just making sure everything is laid down. All right, so now I'm just going to define the part using my cream foundation, but can we just take a moment because this looks like it's growing straight out my freaking scalp. Stop playing with me, right? Look at all that body and that bounce. Y'all, this is fresh out of the box. I did nothing to it but flat iron it, bump the ends, put it on, and we done. All right, so a couple of days later, I did a reinstall. This hair was washed and conditioned and it still looks amazing. But anyway, I put this shirt back on because, yeah, I seen this creator with this hairstyle and I was like, baby, what a perfect time to have this bob. I freaking love her content and I love her hairstyles. Like, they be eating down all the way down. So anyway, we're going to try this on a wig. So I was rushing, so I should have actually did this on another day when I had time to, because I'm a perfectionist, okay? But this day I couldn't be one. But anyway, we're going to start off with the swoop she had in the front. One of the things I could have said I could have did differently was not leave as much hair out because that was too much. My bang was too much bang, okay? So we're just going to go ahead and curve the part. Once we have that little section, I like to go in with some wax to lay everything down because y'all see it's some flyaways. So we're just going to hot comb everything down into place. All right, so I'm just gathering everything and just playing with it to see what it would look like. This amount of hair was perfect. Who told me to grab more? Let's just be honest. So I started to do some baby hairs. Regret doing this as well. This is a wig. I didn't like my baby hairs this day, so we just gonna ignore them. So now I'm just gonna take some hairspray and we're gonna gather everything up into a little ponytail. I'm literally following her video that she did. She did a step-by-step tutorial on how to do this style. If I can find it, I'll link it below. I don't know if it was on TikTok. I don't know. But anyway, I'm just teasing the ponytail, giving it some volume. That way, when I go ahead to twist everything up, it'll be like a little, what is it, messy bantu knot? I don't know. Space bun. Y'all see what I'm doing. So now I'm just going to continue to work on this swoop. I'm just going to take my flat iron and just bump the ends. This portion of the hair is going to be behind the ear as well. So I'm just going to continue to swoop. And mind you, I swooped very far down. I did not realize that she did not have it fully covering her eyebrow. But y'all know, this is the first time for everything. I swear if I do this again, it would be fire. I swear. But anyway, I'm just taking some bobby pins and securing it behind my ear. I'm using some more of that hairspray and a hard brush to make sure my swoop does not move. I could have went in with 𝐿_GOT_TO_BE glue from here, but I am doing another style, so I did not want it hard and stuck. So I'm just going to take my flat iron for the back of the wig and just flip it upwards, giving that 90 curl. Y'all know the 90s were famous for this type of freaking curl, and I'm obsessed with it. However, I felt like the unit was too long. I should have just like bluntly cut it shorter so it could sit right. Y'all see how long it is? I feel like I'm gonna give myself a 6, maybe a 5. Still cute little vibe. We can make it work because I had to make it work, and I still got compliments. So a win is a win. Thank you, girl, for this hairstyle. All right, so we're gonna do this last style I seen on Pinterest. I said this is super cute. We're gonna do it. Don't mind them baby hairs, okay? I don't know what I was doing this day. Just ignore them. You're not gonna really see them no way. I hate them, okay? But anyway, we're just gonna go ahead and make a part in the front of our hair. This is gonna be our, you know, 2 little pieces that's left out in the front. I do kind of make it like oval, and to make sure everything is nice and flat, we're going to use wax and we're going to hot comb in a downward motion. Once we do that, we're going to make a angle part, okay? It's looking like you about to do a zigzag, but you ain't. You're just going to slant it in the middle and then hot comb everything down. So I'm going to take some cream foundation to define the part. And we're just going to go ahead and trim up the ends just so they can be even. And then we're going to take our T3 curlers and then we're just going to curl underneath. Don't go far as up as I did, because I noticed that when you do that, it leaves like a crimp at the top. And I actually had to like work to get that out. So anyway, I'm just taking more hairspray. Gonna have 2 ponytails. Basically, you're gonna have one big one, but you separating 2. So you're gonna have one on the side, which is just gonna be one, and then you're gonna have one on top, which is the one I'm working on now. So I'm just gonna connect those 2 ponytails to one. It probably is not making sense the way I'm explaining it, but you can see what I'm doing, hopefully. Once I get this ponytail in that holder, I'm just gonna make a bun. And then the bun is going to be frontwards instead of backwards. You know how you put your bun in the back? We're going to pull it to the front and then put a rubber band on top like a bun. But you just going to spread the rest of the hair that's out in the front. Like, this is definitely giving 90s. I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and the styles that I showed you guys with this unit. If you guys are interested, and don't forget, it's starting at $81, a steal for a Babiana. You better go get one, girl. Okay? So I will link her down below. And until my next video, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.